Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how you can clean your syringes, as well as your spatula, anything that you use to clean out your to mix your lip glosses in. And then I used 2 of these measuring cups, so I'm gonna have to clean 3 of them because the bottom wasn't in it. So I'm gonna clean these as well. You want to make sure you're cleaning all of your materials after each use. So I'm just going to take these apart so that I can clean them better. And these I specifically only use for making lip glosses. I don't use these to cook with. I bought these specifically to make lip glosses with. And I got these cups from Walmart. They came with the tablespoons, the smaller ones, and teaspoons. But I use the cups when I do my base gel. So I'm gonna clean these off. I have my 2 syringes that I used and my spatula. So I'm going to take off the pipette that was attached to this. I'm just gonna use this paper towel. And I have some soap. This has a little bit, maybe like that much of palm olive in it, and then the rest is just Dove. I have paper towels right here. I have this container that I'm gonna pour water in. I have a kettle over here. You guys can't see. This is a kettle that has hot water in it. I don't like to travel from the bathroom to my room, so I prefer to just have a kettle. So I'm just putting some soap in the bottom of this, and I'm gonna pour in the hot water. So this is going to be a very quick video, and so I'm just mixing my soap just to get it all sudsy and whatnot. And I also have a rag that I'm actually gonna end up cleaning the containers with. Oh. So this water is very hot. I'm pouring the soap and water mixture in here just to break down the Versagel that is in there. And I'm going to do the same thing to this container too. I'm just going to use that to break it down. I'm just going to wash my my measuring cups first. It's the easiest.
For me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
I'm making sure I'm getting to like all the crevices, and I got the spatula in a 2-pack from Walmart for 88 cents. So there's this one and there's a bigger one, but yeah. The measuring cups were like maybe $5 and some change. But what you want to do is suck up some liquid and then just push it back, just not as hard as I did it, but you're just flushing out the lip gloss that was in there. That's all you're doing, just flushing it out. I still see buildup of product. And I'm just gonna take it out. And pour it. But I'm gonna clean off this this part of the syringe because there's like buildup on here of gloss. So just make sure you clean everything really, really good. Get into the little crevices of your, right here, and clean off top of there. If you gotta take your nail and just run it around. But just make sure everything is clean, because you don't want to cross-contaminate your lip glosses. If you're gonna reuse your syringes. Okay, now that all of these are, I'm gonna go dump this, but I don't want this to spill over, so I'm sealing it. And I'm just gonna leave that like that because I want to get the soap in whatever is left in this area of the lip gloss tube, because that's really where the soap and the lip gloss sit in this lip, that when you push down it doesn't really go anywhere. So I'm going to just go ahead and suck up on this one too. Probably not really as much. I'm just gonna let these sit in here, and then with this container, I'm just gonna pour it in there. And then I guess I can put my spatula. And then these I'll sanitize, wipe down real quick. So I'm gonna leave this here to sanitize. I let my stuff sanitize maybe. I'll let it sit and sanitize for a long time. I don't know why, but I know it kind of almost immediately kills stuff, but I'll let it sanitize for a while. So now I'm going to clean up, and then I'll come back and show you guys the Hobby Lobby haul. Okay, hey guys. So I'm about to get into this Hobby Lobby haul. It's very, very small, but I ended up picking up some cosmetic glitters. The backing ended up coming off. So I got the cosmetic glitter in the shades Unicorn Dust. And this is what they look like. We have 2 purples, 2 pinks, and 2 blues. Lighter shades and then darker shades. And I'm really excited to use them because the only glitters that I do have are I think holographic and white glitter, so I'm very excited to have these. So the next thing I ended up picking up were these round containers, because I want to use them as sample glasses. These I found in the jewelry aisle, and they have a pink lid, and I thought these were really, really cute, so I ended up picking up the last 3 that they had. This one was open, but the 4th tube was like in the same area, so I just put it back in the bag. This has nothing to do with the haul, but I ended up purchasing some command what are these? I think these are pictures. They're not, yeah, I guess it's command tape or whatever, but I have some paintings that I made that I want to hang up in my room. So I ended up getting that. So I ended up picking up this 0.3, this angle is so weird, but I ended up picking up this 0.3 pencil lead. This is for my sister. We went to Hobby Lobby together, and she got a 0.3 lead pencil, and I forgot to tell her that she needed to pick up the lead, but I'm gonna end up giving that to her. And I ended up picking me up this mechanical pencil and with some lead to go with it. 0.7, I really like this pencil, so I just did like a re-up on it. And I like how much lead you get in here for $1.99. I picked up these containers. I picked up 2, and I believe these have 18 in them each. and they were $4.99 each. And I'm gonna use these, and these were in the aisle with all the cosmetic and bath and beauty DIY stuff, and these are 0.48 ounces, and I'll be using these for probably lip scrubs and samples. These look like the perfect size for lip scrubs just because of the height wise, but to me it just seems like a little bit too much for samples. We'll see. I'll probably do much, but these both in them, and these are $4.99. I ended up picking up edible glitter. These are silver stars. I ended up picking up gold stars, gold hearts, and then pink hearts. And I've been looking for edible hearts for a while. I was on AliExpress. I don't know if I checked Amazon, but now I'm happy to do, I have these because I want to incorporate them in lip glosses and lip balms. Not for people to eat, not lip balms, but lip oils, just to give it a cute aesthetic look. And it's also safe for the lips because they're edible. So I ended up picking up these. And then the last thing I ended up picking up were these colors. These were in the same aisle as everything, but these were by the soaps. It says use in Bath and Body, and then I read on the back that it has it's mostly water, so I'm not sure how well it's gonna mix with the oils. Getting this bundle that has orange, wine, and gold in it. I got this bundle that has turquoise, lime, and yellow. This bundle that has red, yellow, and blue. Then this bundle that has lilac, peach, and sea foam. So these would be very, very pretty colors if they work in Versagel. So I will definitely be making like a small batch and testing these out. I will be cleaning these tubes, and I'll probably do another video. It's basically the same process as if I were cleaning my syringes and everything. I would just clean them. I would give them a bath in hot water and the soap. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some information. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.